This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair, and now Accurate Engines here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Accurate Engines is sponsoring the channel for the next year, so if you don't mind, indulge me for 10 or 15 seconds here. Accurate Engines is a 40-year engine remanufacturer. There is a big difference between rebuilt and remanufacturing. I didn't personally know before I came here how big of a difference there actually is. These guys offer a 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty on their engines. They ship nationwide. They have free local pickup within about 100 miles of Grand Rapids, Michigan. You can have your engine removed and send it over here to us. We'll remanufacture it. That means they bore out the cylinders, they put in new timing chains, new components, do everything, grind, cranks, everything. They put these 30 over, give it a triple cut on the valves. I mean, they do a lot of stuff here. And they're gonna be the new home of the PlayWay premium engine, where we're gonna do it just a little bit different. We're gonna use a little bit different components on the inside of our engine, and you're gonna have the ability to be able to buy film of your engine being made for your car. Plus, you're gonna get a sticker that you can put up underneath the hood, and it will direct your phone right to your video of your engine. Who else offers that? It's crazy. It is going to be super cool. That's going to come in the future. But if you would, tell them thank you for having the PlayWay on board with them and letting them make videos for you. So in this video, we're going to show you how to remove that starter out of that 2.4 Chevy Equinox, GMC Terrain, and Saturn Vue. It's a pretty simple process. We make it look a lot easier on video, but trust me, it's not that hard. And if anyone else can do it, I promise you, you can do it too. One of the very first things that we're going to want to do is we're going to remove this cover off the top of our battery, and that's so we can disconnect the battery properly so we don't have any electrical problems later or we don't electrocute ourselves. So we're going to take and slide this thing to the driver's side or over to our right. Now taking a 10 millimeter, we are going to loosen up this nut right here, bolt. Now pushing the clips that are locking down our electrical connectors on our ECM, we're going to slide them to the right and then use 2 hands to pull them out. Now to remove the ECM, we can slide it towards the driver's side and remove it up out of the way. Now taking a 10 millimeter, we can disconnect the positive battery cable. Now with your vehicle jacked up, we're going to go to the underneath, and our starter is right there. We need to remove the uppermost nut. Okay, before we pull the starter, we're going to take out the 13 millimeter bolt nut that holds on the battery start cable, and we're going to unplug the switch right here, and usually that's done at the top.
Push that up, and then it unplugs.
Using a 13 millimeter, we're going to loosen the battery cable off the start solenoid.
Put the nut back on there so you don't lose it.
Okay, so with the 15 millimeter wobble, we're going to get up around the top side and take out this upper bolt. There's one, and then we have one more right down here. Bam! And she's out. Hey, hopefully this video is going to be helpful for you folks, and you'll consider putting on one of the PlayWay sweet playlists at night. Just turn that volume down, then you don't have to listen to me hammer all night long. Let it play from front to back. That's how I get paid by YouTube. And if you've got a question for me, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair Facebook Messenger. I certainly try to answer all the questions I possibly can for everyone that I can, every time I can. I will at least give you a response, and I certainly don't mind telling people that I don't know, because I don't know it all. But because I'm down here at Accurate Engines, I have a lot more information at my disposal, and there's a lot of fine folks that work out at this place, and they are definitely knowledgeable people. So I will always go and ask them if I don't know something. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first to you, and if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless and have the best of days.